Are you gonna start crawling, my boy? I don't think it'll be long. Come on. Come on. You practicing? Are you practicing? Come on, my boy. Come on. Oh, boy. So close. Good job. Keep going.
Here you go. Yeah.
Good job, baby. Yay.
He's like, I'm gonna lay down now for a minute.
Good
It's
job.
like, that was a lot of work. You crawl forward.
Boy.
You're gonna be all over the place soon.
That was a nice going, bud.
That was the best one yet.
That was the best one yet, for sure.
He drug that leg up and pushed forward to get it.
That was such a good job, baby. I'm so proud of you.
Ain't gonna happen on that floor right
Good job.
This is profit.
Now you scooting backwards?
Say I can't get any grip on this floor with my back legs.
You did so good, baby.
Too much work.
Good job, sugar. Mama's proud of you.
Let's put everything behind him.
Come on, buddy. Look how fast you got it. What is that noise? You're so funny. No fires. No fires. Troublemaker! Are you gonna be in everything? Wait, what? I'm not supposed to be by the fire?